हेलो वेलकम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ऑक्सिलरी और हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड लिंकिंग वर्ब्स। ये वर्ब्स के टाइप्स हैं। चलिए देर नहीं करते हुए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। ऑक्सिलरी और हेल्पिंग वर्ब। An auxiliary verb extends the main verb by helping to show the time, tense, and possibility. The auxiliary verbs are be verbs, have, and do. These are the helping verbs to show the time, tense, and possibility. Let us understand through example. Alex is going to school. Here is a helping verb. Second one is I have seen a movie. Have is used here as an auxiliary verb. Linking verbs work as main verbs in the sentence, but auxiliary verbs help main verbs. Earlier also, I have explained that in a sentence, main verb as well as helping verbs can be used. Do is an auxiliary verb that is used to ask question, to express negation, to provide emphasis. Do is a form of helping verb to express out the negation in the sentence. Let us see its example. Do you drink tea? Here do is used as an auxiliary verb in the sentence. Modal verbs. A modal verb is a kind of an auxiliary verb. It assists the main verb to indicate possibility, potentiality, ability, permission, expectation and obligation. Generally, modal or the modal verbs, these are the auxiliary verbs, means that helping verbs used before ordinary verb to express permission, possibility, ability, obligation, suggestion, request and so on. These also indicate the attitude, attention and mood of the speaker. Modal verbs are can, could, must, may, might, shall, should, ought to, will, would, be able to. These all words are used as the modal verbs in the sentence. Here is an example. I may want to talk to you again. Here may is used as an auxiliary verb, means it is a modal verb. They must play their best game. Must is a modal verb. She should call him. I will go there. Will and should is used as modal verbs. In short, we can say that modal verbs are the helping verbs used to indicate possibility, potentiality, ability, permission, obligation, suggestion, request and as such. मॉडल वर्ब्स का अलग से मैं एक वीडियो बना दूंगा, वहाँ पे आप इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं। इस वीडियो से पहले वर्ब से रिलेटेड मैंने एक और वीडियो बनाया है, एक्शन वर्ब्स, जिसको मेन वर्ब भी कहते हैं। आई बटन में उसके लिंक दिए गए हैं, वहाँ से जाके आप देख सकते हैं। लिंकिंग वर्ब. A linking verb adds details about the subject of a sentence in its simplest form. It connects the subject and the complement, that is the word that follow the linking verb. It creates a link between them instead of showing action. Generally, linking verbs connects the subject and its complement, which means the word follows by the verb. Linking verbs are called be verbs, which are am, is, are, was, were. In short, we can say that linking verbs and the helping verbs are the interconnected, because these all words are also used as an auxiliary verb. Linking verbs generally adds the details about the subject in a sentence in its simplest form. Let us understand through example. She appears ready for the game. This sentence we can say it in other form, that is, she is ready for the game. Here is used as a linking verb in the sentence. Next example is you look happy. This sentence we can tell in other form, that is you are happy. Are is used here as linking verb. These were the two types of verb, auxiliary verb and linking verb. In the previous video session I have taught about the action verb. In next coming video we will see finite and non finite verb. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए, चैनल में नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।